scam texts. You get them?
Yes.
Scam calls?
Yes.
Scam emails?
More than ever.
Well, now to a scam alert, a warning about a phone call that could cost you thousands.
A new warning from the FBI tonight. They're saying that some scammers may be calling people in the Sacramento area claiming to be the FBI.
In a world where cyber threats are evolving faster than ever, everyday users, especially seniors and students, are left vulnerable and unprepared. My app is called Hariyo, your personal cybersecurity sidekick. The purpose of Hariyo is simple: to teach, test, and protect vulnerable users from digital threats in an engaging and accessible way. Our target audience is built for two groups who are often left behind in digital safety: seniors and kids. These are the users most targeted by phishing, password leaks, and scams, but least equipped to fight back. Hi, my name is Anish Mutton and I created Hariyo. 3 months ago, I noticed how prominent cybersecurity issues were, not only in my community, but in the whole world. 3 months later, I've learned that the only way to combat these threats is to fight fire with fire. Many scammers send out AI threats and they are being put out so quickly and rapidly that we can't keep up. That is where Hariyo steps in. Here's how Hariyo works in 3 simple steps. First, identify. Hariyo first identifies any potential cybersecurity risk. If a user gets a suspicious text or email, they can take a screenshot of the message and upload it to our AI-powered mascot, Hari. Hariyo will be able to detect scams instantly by using AI image analysis and natural language processing. In this text message that was uploaded by our user, Hariyo was able to find a phishing attempt due to urgent language to provoke action and suspicious URLs. Next is educate. Welcome to Hariyo University, a gamified learning center with 30 plus bite-sized lessons, tips, and quizzes on everything from phishing to password hygiene. Each lesson is crafted to be readable and memorable for all ages. All lessons were generated by AI and then curated by humans. The lessons were designed for appropriate users based on age. For example, a senior might get lessons on handling Social Security and Medicaid scams. The third stage is test. In game mode, users face real-world scenarios like fake emails or suspicious texts made by AI and can compete with friends on leaderboards to test their knowledge on cybersecurity and threats. So, how does AI make Hariyo possible? 3 key innovations. First, every suspicious message is analyzed by AI using carefully engineered prompts that don't just detect scams, but explain why something is dangerous, turning each scan into a teaching moment. Second, AI generates personalized lessons for different user groups. A senior gets Medicare scam lessons, a gamer gets Discord safety tips, but here's why it's so powerful. Once the AI creates a lesson, we store it in our database. We don't regenerate the same content repeatedly, which can overall reduce our API costs while maintaining personalization. Third, the AI creates realistic practice scenarios for our game mode. It generates fake phishing emails, suspicious texts, and legitimate messages that match current real-world threats. To code this app on the front end, I use HTML, Java, and React, and for the back end, I use Supabase. For AI, I use OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 Mini to detect threats on images as well as coding Hari. And for storage, we use Supabase buckets. I was inspired to create this app after learning about all the losses in my community and everyday users, and I wanted to change that. The biggest technical challenge was managing structured lesson data and syncing quiz logic across Supabase tables. I solved this problem by creating dynamic CSV imports with foreign key checks, saving hundreds of manual data entry hours. Hariyo can become the Duolingo of cybersecurity, accessible, playful, and essential. Thank you for the opportunity, and let's keep the internet safe one user at a time.